Hi everyone, welcome back, and this is Mr. Delicious, the traveling tutor and coach. And last time in our previous video, we have answered question number 26. It was the first question of the part B of the mathematics grade 10 past exam papers year 2010. So this is the working out of what we have done in the previous video, and you can watch that video to know how this was done. Okay, now let's move on to our question number 27. So what would be the topic in question number 7 that you will also encounter, you will definitely encounter in your national examination? Okay, now this is the question. Okay, and the question is on the topic probability. Okay, now the good thing about probability is it will help you to use of the skills in making decisions, like you want to find out the probability of the outcome of your decision making. Now this one, in mathematics, oftentimes the questions on probability is more on empirical probability or experimental probability. Now the empirical probability or the experimental probability is determined by how often an event has been observed to occur. Okay? So that is what it meant by empirical probability. So this is more on calculation. It is determined how often an event is to occur. So usually, let us now show the working out here. Okay, so we are now on to question number 27 from the past exam papers year 2010 for the grade 10 mathematics students. So I hope that everyone is paying attention to this free video tutorial using the past exam papers. And I hope that I will be able to help the grade 10 students here in Papua New Guinea. Now, even if you are from other countries and if you are taking mathematics, whichever grade you are, so you can use this video tutorial for your revision, and you can listen to this while you are at home. Okay, now let's go back to our question number 27. The question number 27, this is a empirical probability because we will be using a formula here. A bag contains 3 red, 2 yellow, 1 green, and 4 blue marbles. What is the probability of picking a yellow marble at random? Give your answer as a decimal. So there are actually three possible answers for probability. One is in fraction, the other one is in decimal, and the third one is expressed in percentage. But at this time, you are asked to express or give your answer in decimal. So you are expected to write that decimal answer in your answer sheet. Now we have the probability of the event, which is the event is on yellow, okay, is equal to the number of successes, okay, the number of success divided by the total number of trials, okay. So this is, you're trying to get the probability of the yellow here. In the given, we have 3 red, and we have 2 yellow, and we have 1 green, and the last one, we have 4 blue marbles. So if you have to get the total of all of these successes here, we have 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 1 is 6, plus 4 is 10. Therefore, to get the probability of picking a yellow at random from a bag, okay, of these marbles, you are going to write down 2 yellow, okay, yellow is 2, divided by the total number of trials, okay, of these trials. So inside the bag, there are 10 marbles, and these are the colors of the marbles. and we are only asking what is your chance of picking a yellow marble at random inside the bag. Okay, so we have 2. 2 is on top, this is the yellow, divided by the total number, which is 10. Okay, write it down here, is 10. And your answer now is 1 over 5. How did we get 1 over 5? We divide both sides by 2 by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. And then 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Now again, the probability of picking up a yellow is 1 over 5. But you are asked to give your answer or write down your answer on the answer sheet in decimal form. Okay? So that means that that will be 1 divided by 5. 1 numerator divided by 5. So 1 divided by 5. So it cannot be. So this is a decimal point here, and this is a decimal point, and then you have here. So now you have 10 divided by 5 is 2. 2 times 5 is 10. And therefore and then you have 0. So your answer now is 0.2 probability of picking up yellow. So you have your chance of picking a yellow inside the bag of marbles is 0.2 or 20%. You only have 20% chance of picking up a yellow at random inside the bag where the marbles are. So this will be the answer that you are going to write down in your answer sheet. Okay? So now, this video is on for question number 27 and question number 28. Now take note, my video tutorial is focused on the students who have difficulty or being challenged in the subject mathematics. If you're already good at maths, well, you can skip this video. Anyway, after all, my objective is this video is for those who needs assistance and help when it comes to mathematics, and that is where I am now here. Okay, now let's move on to question number 28. Okay, so we have question number 28 for this video. Two questions for this video, and now we are on to question number 28. So what is question number 28? Okay, here's the question number 28. Question number 28, people, look at here. This is question number 28. All right, the question number 28 is, an isosceles triangle has sides of length 10 centimeter and a base of length 12 centimeters. Calculate the area of the triangle in square centimeter. Now, students, especially the grade 10 students who are sitting for the national examination in October, the best thing to work out this kind of question is to illustrate the isosceles triangle, and then you label the given measurement. Okay, so let's draw. This is an isosceles triangle. Now in mathematics, the best thing for you to understand and to work out question is to understand the meaning of the term. So what is an isosceles triangle? An isosceles triangle is a triangle wherein two sides, okay, the first side and the other side, this side here and that side there, the measurement of this side is equal to the measurement of the other side. That is an isosceles triangle. Okay, what else we have? Now from there, after you have drawn the isosceles triangle, you may now label the sides given, the measurement of the sides. We have that an isosceles triangle has sides of length 10 centimeter and a base of length of 12 centimeters. So that means this side here and that side there, this one, okay, and over here, it has a measurement of 10 centimeter. Now, I am only writing 10 centimeters here because it only, this proves now that the other side is also 10 centimeters. And a base length of 12 centimeters. So the base length of this isosceles triangle is 12 centimeters. So that means I am now drawing it here, and the base length is 12 centimeter. The question is about calculate the area of the triangle in square centimeter. Okay? So what is the formula of the area of a triangle? Remember that one, and you have to always memorize some of the formulas that you are going to encounter. Okay? Now we have area of a triangle is equal to base times height divided by 2. Okay? Or you can say 1/2 times base times height. Okay, now we have base in our given now. This is the first one. In our given, this is the second step. We have the base, which is 12 centimeter, but we don't have the height. So, and we only have these sides here. So that means that we have to draw this height perpendicular to this, to the base of the triangle. A line drawn here perpendicular to the base is the height of the isosceles triangle. So meaning that this one is automatically becomes a 90 degrees, a right angle triangle. If a line is drawn from this apex here from the top, then to the middle part of the isosceles triangle, then the base 12 centimeter is divided into 2. So meaning that this side here and this side here becomes 6 centimeter. Okay? 12 centimeters is the full length of the base of the isosceles triangle. When the line is cut or perpendicular to the base, then the measurement 12 centimeter is being half, and then now we have 6 centimeters. Okay, from here, we now have to take this right angle triangle out from this diagram. So I am now drawing this right angle triangle, all right? And then I will now label this is 10 centimeters and this is 6 centimeters. Since we could not calculate the area of the triangle if we don't have the height, then we need to find the height of this right angle triangle. What is the value of that, which is the height? Okay? What do you remember now? When we are having a right angle triangle, and then we are talking about the sides, okay? Then we will be calling out Pythagoras Theorem or Pythagorean Theorem, okay? The Pythagoras Theorem is c square. I know that you know this one. C square is equal to a square plus b square. Now take note, C is the hypotenuse, which is the longest side of this right angle triangle that is opposite to the symbol 90 degrees. So this is the C square. So we can have 10 square equals A square. Usually I always consider A as the altitude or the height. So that will be now our h square plus our base, which is b. This will really make it easy for you to work out the problem. So our b is 6 square. Okay? So let's now we have to find first the height, so that once we have the height, we can now work out the area of the triangle, which is the question of the problem. Alright, so we have, what is the square of 10? 100. Very good. Meaning that you multiply 10 by itself 2 times. 10 times 10 equals 100. And then equals h squared plus, what is the square of 6? 6 to the power of 2 means that you will multiply 6 by itself 2 times. So 6 times 6 is 36. Okay, that's 36. Now, to find our height, which is expressed in index h squared, we need to move the 36 to the other side, meaning collecting like terms. That's algebra. The positive 36, when we move it to the other side of the equation, becomes negative 36. So we have 100 minus 36 is equal to h squared. What is the difference between 100 minus 36? 100 minus 36. The correct answer is 64. Okay? 100 minus 36 is 64. Now wait, we are not done yet. H squared. Okay? So h squared is, to find the value of h, we are going to multiply both sides of the equation by 1/2 and 1/2. Okay? 2 and 2 cancel. We are now left with h. Now take note. A base raised to the power of 1/2 is square root. So square root of 64 is equal to h, therefore is square root of 64 is 8 centimeters. So now the height is 8 centimeters. This height here is 8 centimeters. Wow, perfect. And it is so perfect. Therefore, let's now proceed now. Let's now have the answer. Therefore, the area of the triangle, to answer now the question, and you will have to write down this answer on your answer sheet, grade 10, is equal to base times height divided by 2. Okay? What is the value of our base? Base times height divided by 2 for the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle. Base is equal to, okay, we have 12. Okay, the base is 12. Base is 12. Multiply that one by the height, which is 8, divided by 2. So what is the product of 12 times 8? 12 times 8 and then divided by 2. 12 times 8 and then divided by 2 is equal to 48 square centimeter. This is now the area of the triangle. And that is, now you will have to write down this 48 square centimeter on the answer sheet. Okay? And I hope that is clear now for you. This is our question number 28 on the topic isosceles triangle, and I hope that you are familiar with this, and I am really hoping and crossing my fingers, especially for those students who are having difficulty in mathematics, in order for you to prepare for the national examination. Please watch my video tutorial. This is Mr. Delicious, and I am trying, the traveling tutor and coach, and I'm trying my best to reach you out, the students in Papua New Guinea, in the Philippines, and all parts of the world. Okay? So this is the question. So I'll see you again for question number 29. Bye for now.